Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Mohammad Wakil Ansari. Today we define atomic structure topic and their flow chart. Let us consider atomic structure. In this chapter, we define structure of atom and their particles through which matter consists of. The first concept of this topic is John Dalton concept. John Dalton concept. John Dalton defined the basic postulates of an atom. Let us consider their concept. John Dalton says that atom is a fundamental particle. Atom is a fundamental particle and atom is a undivisible particle. That means we cannot divide atom into further particles. And according to John Dalton, atom is the smallest particle which takes part in chemical reaction. Then we can say that atom is fundamental particle. Second, it is smallest particle which takes part in chemical reaction. According to John Dalton, atom is undivisible particle. Atom is undivisible particle. That means we cannot divide atom into further particles or in other smallest particles. He said that atom is a fundamental particle and it is, let us consider, John Dalton said that atoms are same in similar objects. That means when we take a similar object, then their atoms are same. When we take different object, then their atoms are different. Let us consider. Let us once again define this topic. John Dalton concept. Atom is a fundamental particle and it is the smallest particle which takes part in chemical reaction. And atom is undivisible particle and atoms are different for different object and atoms are similar for similar object. There are many John Dalton postulates, but to define some importance, some selected postulates. Take a screenshot of this class. Now we define modern concept of this chapter. Let us consider according to modern concept, in this universe, all matter are consist of molecules. and are molecules made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of by electron, proton, and neutron. Thus, we can say that fundamental particle is electron, proton, neutron, not atom. That is, we can also say that John Dalton postulates are wrong. Or we can define there are some demerits of John Dalton concept. That is, John Dalton said that atoms is fundamental particle, but modern concepts say that atom can be divided into further particle into electron, proton, and neutron. That is demerit of John Dalton. Let us define. All matter consists of a molecule. All molecule made up of atom, and atom are further classified into electron, proton, and neutron. In this chapter, we define the discovery of these fundamental particles, electron, proton, and neutron. Now we define atomic models. There are many atomic models. Let us define. Atomic model define the structure of atom and their fundamental parts. First atomic model is Thomson model. Thomson model. Thomson model is also called plum pudding model. Plum pudding model. And second model is Rutherford model. Rutherford model are called solar hypothesis. And third model is Niels Bohr model. And last model is Sommerfeld model.